The Infrastructure Construction Edition is the final edition in the Trimble Business Center 5.0 release. It includes all the features and tools found in the Viewer, the Field Data Edition, the Surface Modeling Edition, the Survey Intermediate and Advanced Editions, as well as the Site Modeling and Site Construction Editions. Its main focus is going to be around dealing with mass haul analysis. You're going to be able to create, edit, and manage the corridor mass haul analysis, automatically or manually balance the corridor mass haul, run a mass haul and balance line reports, as well as export the mass haul to a Trimble Tilos software package for linearly scheduling and planning. It also provides the tools for creating and editing the parametric, cul-de-sac, intersection, and roundabout tools, as well as the new interchange and ramp designs for highway projects. Let's take a look at those features in the Infrastructure Construction Edition.